Welcome! In this short video, we will show you how to clean the Canon imagePROGRAF iPF8 This procedure also applies to the imagePROGRAF iPF8400, 9400 and 9400S. Firstly, never use flammable solvents such as alcohol or thinner. Always disconnect the power cable from the outlet before cleaning the device. About once a month, clean the printer exterior. Always use a cloth dampened in water that you have wrung out completely. Then, wipe away any dirt or paper dust from the paper feed slot. Cleaning inside the top cover will help maintain great print quality. Also clean inside the top cover if the message "Blue Platen switch is dirty" is displayed on the user interface screen. Wipe away any ink residue or paper dust. Using the cleaning brush provided with the printer, clean the ink suction holes. Then, wipe the borderless printing ink grooves using a damp cloth. All done. For other helpful information on the maintenance of your Canon imagePROGRAF large format printer, browse through our Canon Business AU YouTube channel or visit us at canon.com.au.